What happened this morning?
The faucet leaks. And it's weird because it's almost like intermittent. Right now, the deck plate's dry on top, and this morning it was wet, but the sink top is wet.
It has rust, Papa.
It was leaking through, and the rug is soaked. Completely soaked. Putting a new faucet on. That one's like 25 years old. It's a Gerber.
Wow.
It's a good faucet, but it's not good anymore.
It's an American-made faucet?
Actually, I think it's, the brand is like a European brand. I don't know where it's made, but they're probably all made in China now. So, the company is American, and this one's actually manufactured in USA.
So that's called Moen?
This one's Moen. That one's a Gerber. I put that on there like 25 years ago when I was working for Moshe.
Cool.
When I first started plumbing. Many eons ago.
All right.
If the handle's not down all the way, it starts leaking. As soon as I push it down the rest of the way, it stops. Before it even comes out here, it's leaking out of there. It gets it on the deck here, and then it leaks down to the hole that the supply line comes through.
So what are you doing now?
Turning off the supply so I can take things apart without water going everywhere. Ooh.
That's a very complicated faucet structure.
I don't know about that.
What do you call it, that connection?
Supply lines. You supply water to the faucet.
So you are replacing it with the exact same kind of faucet.
Oh, well, they're both lab faucets. That's about where the similarity ends. They're both single handle, but they're different brand.
Yeah, I thought they look alike.
Similar only. To accomplish that.
So what do you call that thing that you removed?
This? That's a pop-up rod clip, I guess.
That clips the what?
It's part of the linkage for the pop-up assembly.
So you're gonna reuse that?
Most likely.
Oh, that's a vintage one.
That's been getting dripped on for a while. So getting all rusty. But it will still work. And I don't think it's even used. That pop-up's not, the plunger's not even connected. It's just kind of sitting in there.
Everything needs to be dry, right?
Well, if everything is dry, then I stay dry, and that's a desirable arrangement. Mama, pull that rod up.
All right.
Open up. All the way. Let's go.
I guess if it's just me, I'm gonna hire a plumber. I cannot do it myself. It's hard to the back.
If I got the right tool, it'd be a lot easier, but I'm lazy.
Good thing I married a man who knows everything. Papa, I'm so lucky.
What about me?
You are unlucky.
How do you figure?
Because you do everything here. So what do you call that kind of tools?
This one?
Yeah.
A socket set.
Oh. That looks like a fancy set.
Oh man.
Where did you get that?
Online.
Amazon?
Yeah. Bigger.
It really make a big difference when you have the right tools to use.
Oh yeah, you got that right. extension going to be the wrong length, probably.
Do I remove the faucet now?
No. Not yet.
It's dancing.
Yeah, it's dancing. It's not free yet. Take those things off first. And it's amazing how being lazy makes you do something harder. Tell the viewers sorry about the poor lighting.
Yeah. One light is Toski though. It needs one more bulb, Papa. That one there, only
the
two
other one's
lights.
blinking out half the time. I
Yeah.
thought I replaced that thing. I was just thinking about it, but I haven't done it yet. Are you still going to be reluctant? I think you are. There we go. See, it's been leaking for some time.
Cleaning the sink before putting the new faucet. What is that?
Blades.
Oh, for cleaning?
Yeah.
Professionally, how much would you charge?
It's been too long since I've done it. I don't know how much they're charging anymore. I was doing it just handyman, $50 or something for the labor, and another 60 or so for the faucet that I got. Something like that. So I don't know, 100 and a quarter on the cheap end of things. On the high end, you'd be replacing the drain assembly and everything, and more time, and I'd say double the labor, so probably more like 200 or 300 at least.
200 to 300? Oh my goodness. That's a lot of moolah.
Very good at removing silicone residue from China. Steel wool, the stainless steel scrubby, not steel wool, stainless steel scrubby. How do I turn that off? You did. Residual out. I already opened it at the store to check the supply line arrangement. This is the meat of the matter right here. This and this little guy.
Papa, you didn't even read instructions.
Yeah, a little bit beyond that on these.
What do you call that?
Silly stuff. Silly to not use it.
That's a good sealant for those blah blah people.
I don't know about that.
Tony just had his birthday. Want to say happy birthday to Tony?
Happy birthday, bud. Mine's coming soon.
Oh, that's right.
We get back together, we'll have to have a birthday party for the both of us.
Mm-hmm. A big birthday party celebration.
The birthday bash. I already know what side is hot for goodness sake.
Do you want me to hold the faucet?
Maybe.
It's moving.
Yeah, probably.
This one looks more sexier than the other one.
It's a little bit newer.
Yeah, I like the contours.
Youth is sexy, right?
Me? I'm sexy? Really?
In that regard.
I'm sexier than you?
In the youth department, at least. Oh, I'm putting something new on.
Oh.
That's not the same as before. I'm getting dribbled on.
You're putting the supply lines back?
Yeah.
And then after that, it's gonna get done?
Sometime after that, yeah.
Alright. I guess I'll go come back check when it's done. Oh, look at that. It's already done. Can I turn it on?
Yeah.
Okay, let's test it. There you go. Alright. Thank you, Papa. Are you shy?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Most of the time. Sometimes I'm not.
Especially...
The right spot.
Oh, that's really a sexy faucet.